Welcome back to our gravel vac discussion. In case you haven't seen any of our previous videos, we use our fish tanks to create the perfect fertilizer for an indoor and outdoor jungle. So gravel vacuuming helps us collect the magical detritus at the bottom of the fish tanks. We are experimenting with different filter medias right now that we can attach to the gravel vac, which will collect the fish compost, and then we can easily just wash it out in our bin we're filling with tank water right now. We'll then use this fish compost tea we've made to fertilize all of our plants, which is so cool.
Siphon that would have kept going and spilled until just a little something. If you kill a pump, make sure you take it out and kill the siphon. We'll have another flood. It wouldn't be cute. Alright, so this is what we talked about in our last video. We got a filter sock, 100 microns, zip tie it here, and let's see what happens.
So that's a replacement for the polyfill.
Yep. I think I know how to use this by now, right? The rock's level. You see down here, it's really low.
Well, the goldfish pick at them too, though,
yeah.
So it'll never really be completely even.
This is also polishing the water, by the way. It's 100 microns.
What's polishing the water, babe?
It's getting out all the little floating particles right there.
It makes the glass look crystal, or the water look crystal clear like glass.
Floating on the air. There we go. Alright, picking up some dirt.
In the previous videos, we vacuumed with materials that were effective, but not quite what we were looking for. This filter sock, however, allows us to remove superfine detritus particles from the water that can create buildup of toxins and potentially poison the fish. The beautiful thing is that we can wash this sock out easily to reuse the fish waste in our suburban jungle while also being able to reuse the sock for future gravel vacs.
I'm doing a lot right now. I'm going to pause. I'm going to switch over to grass. Some gunk. Can you get that?
Oh yeah. Wait, hold it up a little more. Past the light. And then, yeah, good.
I'm going to flip it inside out when we're done. Okay. Alrighty, Mr. Fish. You know the deal. Beat it. You got the rocks churning. Self-washing rocks. This would look really like that would be all black if we did it the first time. Let's just touch up getting the remainder. There we go. See all that. Simply while I'm recording this, just pop it off. Pop goes the weasel. Can you see? And get close. Take a good look on the inside.
Oh yeah, that's a lot.
That's why I like 7 diameter socks. It's easier to flip them inside out to wash them. But, yeah. If we would have gotten this
The first go around.
So,
A lot of gunk.
a lot of gunk in there.
But that's also going to be plant gold.
There you go.
Good job, babe.
I do what I do.
Great idea.
Of course, I'm the best.
You are the best.
Alright, so we don't want to get this all dried like this, because then it's going to be there permanent.
You want to clean it out still.
Wash it out.
In like a hose.
Hose it down. We're going to do all that tomorrow. We'll hose that down tomorrow. Let it air dry. Cool. Use it again.
This is where we use the garden gold we harvested from our fish tank. Stay tuned for future videos on how we have grown our whole home using a couple of aquariums. Peace and love to all.